Okay, so before starting the video, I want to say that the whole skip video is really dangerous because you have to be careful while doing skip videos because they can be dangerous as fuck. So, let's get on to the video, shall we? Right guys, so I'm out right now and I've seen no good skips at all and everything. So I've been looking for any skip around here area I told, but there's none. And there are people out here right now. This is fucking stupid. But anyways, I'll get back home. I'll do another video if I can find a skip. Then I'll do the video again. Right guys, so this is another video I'm taking right now. I have zero luck. I did find another skip around a corner where I am at right now, where I was before, but no, that I couldn't find the other one. If I would actually do a video, a whole skip video. But again, I did fail, and I may go back to the location I've been. Then I will go on there. Alright, I'm at the third location, and this is no good. I can't see any skips around me now. This is going terrible. No skips. I did find a skip. I'm going to go back to that location. But yeah, let's go back to that location where I was in before. And yeah, let's just see if I can find the location and everything about that. So yeah, let's go on to the get on to the video, shall we now? Is that a bell box? It is a bell box, but no skip around here as well. This is going terrible. And yes, I'm at the same location again. No skip here as well. What bullshit video is this? Like, there are other skips. I'm also planning to go back to that location as well. But anyways, let's see if I can find that skip again and if they have anything in there. Here's the skip. And yeah, looking in there, there's a TV. Nothing smoke alarm or anything related. There is something in there, but yeah. There's nothing smoke alarm related or air freshener related. Maybe, hang on. Can I go into this driveway? Oh yes. Nothing in there. Yeah, nothing in there. That's bullshit. There wasn't TV there. I'm not going to get it anyways. But let's go to another skip. And that's the skip I was talking about. there is some shit in there, but not that many. And of course I'm going to be going back to my house. Well, this was an unsuccessful what is it called? Skip hunting, which was unsuccessful. So I'll get back to you once we're back home. Couldn't tell me there's a lot of stuff here. And there's a lot. What's this? Oh, fuck. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. Drinks and everything. Yeah, that's mad. Nothing much really here to see or anything like that. There's not even a skip here in this location. Alright, let's go back home. Before I end the video, I am at this place where I've recorded something. Where the fuck is that disposable vape? Oh, there it is. Still right there. Nothing here. Nothing here, of course. Like, I mean, this is not a skip video. Like, this is a skip video, but not this one, anyways. Right, let's go back home now. Meet is at home. Here we back home! And obviously, I didn't even get anything. I was trying to look for smoke alarms or air fresheners, but that doesn't make sense because I looked in the skips and they didn't have anything. Well, I hope I will do a smoke alarm test on one of these devices, but I don't know, they're so shit loud and everything, because why wouldn't they? So yeah, this is the longest video I've ever done. This was the longest fucking walk I've ever done for this channel, for the smoke alarm channel. Oh well, here's an EI alarm that I couldn't look, or not this one. I was definitely looking for one of these, but it was not that long, and that's the time right now. But yeah, I've failed to see if there's any smoke alarms or anything. But I mean, I don't know, for a pre-owned fire alarm or CO alarm, they would like cost around on eBay like this money, because, and I want to just like do videos of a skip haul. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing another video tomorrow for the, what's it called, the air fresheners part 4. Well, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.